Hey guys, this video is on how to bypass your seat safety switch. I don't recommend doing this. This video is for informational purposes and entertainment purposes only. Do not do this. So you just flip up your seat, unclip that from your, busted the clip off there, you can see. Unclip that from the bottom of your safety switch here. Now you'll notice in here, take a look at this. If you flip it around here, there's a little tab right in there. You're gonna take a screwdriver and pry that little tab up right to the right of my thumb there. I'll show you. Okay, so right in here, right there, you're gonna need a tiny screwdriver like this, like the eyeglass screwdriver. And go in there and pry that tab up. Pry it up and you'll see these things start to poke out. This is that bus bar. You just pull that right out of there. All right, thank you, Mr. J. Gorels. Appreciate it. I would have never figured this out on my own thanks to your video. I'm gonna post a link to your video in the description as well, so thank you very much.